Welcome back, Odooers. My name is Jose Ignacio. Well. Now that we've got our product variants set up under our sales belts, it's time to learn how to apply them to products and customize them to fit our company needs. That way, our variants in Odoo sales are available to sell through our salespeople, through our physical storefront, and through our online shop. Now, lucky for us, Odoo makes all of that super fast and super simple. But why am I still talking about this? Enough chit chat. Let's jump right back into our Stealthywood database and see how to put all of this together. All right, so in the previous tutorial, we learned all about product variant attributes. Now, for those who don't know, product variants allow your company to offer various options of a single product to customers, and those options are known as attributes. Now, to be more specific, attributes are things like sizes or colors of an object, for example. And if you'd like to learn more about how to set up product variants, I strongly, and I repeat that, I strongly suggest that you watch my previous tutorial because that is a short plug that I have for that. But it's because in that lesson, we covered how to set these up. And in this lesson, we're going to see how we can apply and customize product variants. But if you already watched that, let's jump in. All right, okie dokie. Picking up where the last video left off, we're back over here on our attributes page for color. We have the ability to quickly see all the products that use this attribute. Now to do that, we actually just click up here, this nice little related product smart button that Odoo put. Now you'll see that the only Stealthywood products that we have that come in different colors are the customizable desk and the Stealthywood t-shirts. But since I just got that new shipment of Odoo purple shirts earlier today, I need to add that attribute value to my product so that my customers can see that as an option, and hopefully because they will buy them. So let's go do that right now. So to add an attribute value to a product, you'll first need to navigate to that product's detail form. And since we're looking to add another color to my t-shirt product, I can actually quickly access that product from this right here, the related products page, simply by clicking on Stealthywood t-shirts. All right, here we are. And now once that we're here on the product form, I'll click on the attributes and variants. And this is all coming together now. On this tab, you'll see all the pre-configured attributes and values related to this product. In our case, it is size, color, and gender as well. And if you look at the top of the form, in the variant smart button, what does it tell us? You'll see that there are 30 total variations of this shirt that my customers can buy. But we'll see that number go up in a moment once that we add our new color to this tab. So let's do that now. To add a new attribute value, in this case, it's a new color. We're actually going to want to click over here towards color inside of the values area. And you'll notice it changes real quick. Now, we actually can just hit this little drop down arrow right there and type it in, or click it in my case. And there we have it, purple. And isn't that super dandy? Once we're done with that, we'll hit save manually. And look at that, that number went up just like it's supposed to, 30 to 40 because math. And if we click on that variant smart button, look at that. We're taken to a different page where I can see every combo of this product that we offer, along with its sales price, the cost, which is mysteriously $0, and a ton of other useful information that is present. And that's always nice to know. But there's a few more things that I want to show you about product variants on the product form. So let's jump back to our t-shirt. So here we are back on the item, and back on the attributes and variants tab, you'll see a configure button. I didn't talk about it before. Now, let's say our new purple shirt is an absolute hit, and I want to start charging more money for them because they are literally flying off the shelves. Well, that's when I'd actually click on the configure button over here, and it takes us over here to a new list. Here, we'll see our product variant values that are specific to the color attribute for my t-shirt. And the far right, we actually see a value price extra column. What does that mean? Well, that's where we can enter an additional amount to be charged for any specific variant value. In our case, we want to charge an extra $5 for my popular purple shirts. So to do that, we're actually going to click on our purple value. And we're going to go in here and we're going to add that. So we're going to type in 5. All right, ready to go. Now, if an attribute value shouldn't be compatible with other values for this product, related accessories, or optional products, we would designate it down here where you see the exclude for field. Now, unfortunately, when we got our shipment of purple shirts, we realized they forgot to send us any that are medium. Don't worry, we already talked to them about it and they'll be sending us more soon. But in the meantime, we'll need to make sure that nobody buys any of the shirts in that size. And that's where the exclude for field comes into play. So to do that, we're actually going to select add a line right here. And we need a product template for this. We're actually going to click on our Stealthy Wood shirt. All right, and now next to that, you actually see the attribute that we want to exclude. We could type, in our case, it seems to have autofilled because we have a little list here, and we'll just type in the letter M. It'll ask us, and there we have the size. Beautiful. Now our customers won't be allowed to purchase any of these medium shirts, therefore avoiding all sorts of frustration. And I'm actually going to show you how that looks like in just a second. So we're going to say manually, and then now up next, we actually want to head back over here to the Stealthy Wood product page once again. And this time using our breadcrumbs, which was Wonder Bread. Now beneath the list of attributes and values on the attributes and variants tab that we have over here is sales variant selection options, product configurator, and order grid entry. Now these are both related to how these attributes and values will be virtually and visually represented when you select them for quotation. Now the product configurator, which is the first choice here, provides a clean, clear pop-up window that neatly displays all of the available product variants for that particular product when it's added to a quote. However, you can only select one variant at a time. But what about the other one? Well, while the order grid entry provides basically the same information, it's not as visually appealing, but it does allow the user to select a larger number of unique product variants at once. So it really just comes down to the business needs when it comes to this setting. Now, I've been talking a lot about, how it could look like, but let's see what these variants look like in action, shall we? So to do so, all we actually have to hit is the go to website smart button. Boom, there we are. Here is our Stealthy Wood t-shirt being sold at the standard $15. But what if we select the purple option? Boom, $20. There's our $5 increase, just as we configured it. And you'll also notice that the M is grayed out. What happens if I select it? Well, it doesn't let us because we configured the exclude for field to make sure that the medium size shirt wasn't available. Perfect. Now, before I let you go, let's take a very quick look at how product variants look like on the back end when creating a quotation. So we're actually going to head back to the sales dashboard. New. And in this case, pick any customer. Boom. Add the product. Which product? Well, the one we've been working on, our t-shirt. Look at that. There is our product configurator right there looking beautiful. And here we can actually quickly choose what we want. And notice again here, when we change it to purple, price updates, quantity updates, size is grayed out still. And that's beautiful. And as you can see, it's just as clean and organized as I promised. See? I wouldn't lie to you, Odooers. Jose would never steer you wrong. Remember that. Anyways, that's it, party people. As you can see, product variants are incredibly important for a business like Stealthy Wood because they provide customers with the freedom to choose exactly what they want from a variety of options, which enhances the overall shopping experience. And it keeps our customers coming back for more of those t-shirts. That's all for this video, pretty much, actually. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.